The overall goal of this procedure is to accurately measure the survival time of Brachionus rotifers by offsetting possible deleterious effects of maternal generations.
This method can help answer key questions in aging research by providing a reliable way to measure the survival time of rotifers. The main advantage of this technique is that it is reproducible and has high statistical power.
To begin, to 4.5 liters of distilled or deionized dilution water, add 454 millimolar sodium chloride, 26 millimolar magnesium chloride, 27 millimolar magnesium sulfate, 10 millimolar potassium chloride, and 10 millimolar calcium chloride. Prepare a 0.48 molar stock solution of sodium bicarbonate and add 25 milliliters of it to the salt solution just prepared. Prepare a 0.4 molar stock solution of sodium bromide and add 10 milliliters of it to the salt solution. Then, with distilled water, bring up the salt solution to 5 liters and, using a 0.45 micrometer filter membrane, filter the solution. To culture laboratory-raised or wild-captured rotifers, place them in a sterile 100 milliliter beaker of artificial seawater and culture them at 25 degrees Celsius. According to the methods of Snell,